Hey guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton double unboxing and reveal. Alright, so let's just get straight to it. Okay, so I went to Louis Vuitton yesterday, and I've had both of these packaged ever since, and I've been so excited to unpackage them, but I couldn't because I had to wait until I filmed this video. So this is going to be my first time opening these packages since I purchased them. So the first one, can you guys guess what it is? It's a small box. Small, but it's mighty. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open that. I just took the receipt out, by the way, because I want to be able to pronounce this the right way. I usually don't like to take the bows off, so let me just slide this like that. Okay, and then I'm going to open it up. Can you guys guess what it is? No? Don't worry, you're about to find out if I can get it open. Okay, I can get it all the way open, so we're just going to do this. Here is the dust bag, and then here it is. It's so pretty. Let me see what the name of this is, but I've been wanting a Bandu with red in it. Is it Bandu or Bandu? I think it's Bandu. But anyway, I've been wanting one with red in it. I have this one, which I brought in here to show you. So I have this pretty beautiful one. This is my first one ever. I wear it as a bag accessory, and I also wear it as like a hair accessory. And I wanted one with red in it, so now I got it. I want to wear it with my Alma BB and DE, because I have the Alma Mono too, but I want the red with the DE print. So here it is, and I can also wear it on my cross set. And I'm also going to use this one for my hair too, so I'm really excited. Let me check the receipt to see the name of it. Okay, so it's the Trunks Maroon or Maroon. I don't know. Marin? I don't know. I'm sorry. I honestly don't know how to pronounce the name, but I know it's the Trunks edition. Let me give you a closer look. Excuse my pants. I just didn't feel like having on my other bottoms, but look how pretty it is. So pretty. I love it. I love it. Look at all the trunks on there, and that red is just gorgeous. I like how you can wear it on this side or this side, but I'm going to be obviously wearing it mostly on this side with a little of the red showing. But it's so beautiful, so exciting. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Again, I love it, and I'm so excited to wear it. Let me know if you want me to do a video showing you how I wear these two on my bags and as a hair accessory. Just comment down below and I can get that out to you. So yes, that was the first item, and this retailed for $195. So cute. Alright, let's get to the second item. So before we get to this, let me just tell you a little backstory. So I've been eyeing this piece. I've been eyeing it for quite some time. I've been going back and forth about it. I've been debating colors. The original color that I wanted in this piece, I started wanting it and then it was discontinued. So I chose this color because it was the closest to it. It's still beautiful, but it's not the original color I wanted, but it's still beautiful and I love it. And like I said, I've been eyeing this piece for quite some time. So this is also a small box. Can you guys guess what it is? Okay, that's okay. We're going to get to it. And I'm just going to slide this off. Okay, let's put that in there. Then I'm going to open up the box. Here it is. Here is the dust bag. We're going to open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please. Okay, I'm not going to do all the extra stuff because I'm excited to show y'all this. Look, she's so beautiful. She is so beautiful. So this is the Felicie Pochette in Scarlet. I think it's Felicie. That's how I've been pronouncing it since I've been wanting this. The Felicie. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. But anyway, it's the Pochette Felicie, and this is in the color Scarlet. So the original color I wanted was Cherry, but they discontinued that color, which is fine because this is pretty close. And it's just so beautiful. I love the red. Red is one of my favorite colors, by the way. And I'm just so excited for this piece because I'm going to dress her up and I'm going to dress her down. But mainly she's going to be like an evening date night going out bag. And I'm going to wear it with like a red lip and a cute little, you know, cute little sexy something. But I'm also going to wear it dressing down too, like maybe with a graphic tee with a little red in it, and then like something real basic. I don't know. I'm just really excited to have this piece. So let's get inside this bag. So I'm going to get closer so you can see. Look at that gorgeous red. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is in the imprinte or imprint, whatever it's called, material, as you can see. But anyway, look at that. Look how bold the LV is with the beautiful gold hardware. And this beautiful red color is such a gorgeous bag, and I just love it. Open it up. This is my favorite part, these inserts. Oh my gosh. But before we get to the inserts, let's just pull out this beautiful gold chain. So beautiful. Look at this shiny gold chain, and this gold against the red. I just think this is so beautiful. So let me plug those inserts in. And I'm just going to fasten this button really quickly before we get to the inserts. Alright, so this is how long the chain is. I'm not exactly sure the exact measurements, but you can wear it over the shoulder as so, or you can wear it crossbody like this, or you can wear it as a shorter chain. So you just, to do that, you just open it back up and then you wrap it somehow in here. I honestly don't remember how they said to do it. I think it's like this, like double wrap it. I think I did it right, but I'm not sure. We about to see. Okay, so I definitely didn't do it right. Oh, but this is a new way. See, I just discovered a new way. Okay, so this is not the way that the sales associate showed me in the store, but I mean, this is also another way. You can do it like this and wear it like on the crook of your arm, like on your wrist. That's cute, as a little clutch. Or you can make it just a little bit longer and make it like a shoulder bag, like hanging in here to make it a little classier. Let me try and do it. They showed me in the store again, but I don't remember exactly how to do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. So let's see. I know some of y'all are probably watching this and you're like, what is she doing? All you gotta do is this. It's okay, be patient. I got this, sis. I think I do, sis. Let me see. It's a little bit more difficult than it looks, okay? So what did he do? He double crossed it or something? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I think that's what he did. Yeah, that's what he did. And then he opened it up and then it's shorter. So, you know, shorter. Okay, see, I told y'all I got this. Okay, so anyway, you can wear it like this too. And that's really cute and dainty, sexy for like a little date night, like I said. Or just, you know, evening wear. Whatever the case may be, it's really beautiful. Okay, back to my favorite part, the inserts. I skipped it. I announced my favorite part and then I skipped it. So it comes with 2 inserts. And this is, okay, let me sit down to tell you about this. So the inserts that they come with is this zippered pouch, which is really cute and it looks exactly like the bag. And you can open it up and store whatever you want to, but really this piece is made as a wallet on chain. So this is supposed to be, I believe, for like coins or whatever else, but like I said, you can use it for whatever you want. It's your bag, so why not use it for what you want? But And you can also take it out of here and use it in your other pieces. So that's pretty fun. So here is that insert, really cute. And then again, here's the zipper. And then you just open it as so and store whatever you want. I'm probably going to use like dainty items like coins, and honestly I don't know yet. I'm going to figure it out and then I'll get back to you guys. I'll do what's in my bag in an updated review or whatever. Okay, and so here's the other insert, and this is the card holder. I'm not flipping it around yet because it's a surprise. But anyway, this is the card holder and your bills. So that's where you would put your cash. Alright, so here is the other part. And this is where you slide your cards in. So I got mine hot stamped. So right here is the KT. Let me see if you can see that. It's probably going to show backwards on the screen, I don't know, but I have the KT right here for KiaTache, and that was really exciting, and it's in the shiny gold. So they give you a choice of sizes, and they also give you a choice of colors to get a hot stamp. I wanted the shiny gold to match the gold hardware on the bag. So there's that. Alright, so yeah, it comes with these two inserts, which makes it like a wallet on chain, and then the rest of the bag is really small, but that's okay. That's why I said use it mostly as an evening bag or a date night. So that's what the inside looks like, and then it just has this little pocket right here, and then it has like your little stickers and stuff in there. But yes, so that's what the bag looks like. And I'm not sure where the date code is on this bag. Oh, okay, I see it. It's inside this little pocket right here in the corner. Not sure if you can see, but it's in there. And then on the Louis Vuitton stamp in there, it says right here. I don't know how to show you that better. Yeah, it's not going to show up. Okay, right there. But it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then here are these pieces as well. Again, so you can carry this bag with the inserts or without. So with the inserts, it obviously limits other items that you can carry, but it still gives you some room for, like, you know, like your lip gloss, hand sanitizer, and your phone, like important essentials that you need for the night or day. But as I said, you can also take the inserts out and you'll have more room. But whenever I wear this bag, I'm definitely using the inserts because I just think it's so cute, and I just love how this bag comes with those inserts. I just really love it. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to use these inserts in any of my other bags. I'll probably just only use it for this bag. So yeah, there it is. I had to take a deep breath because I'm so excited. Like I said, I've been wanting this piece for forever now, and I finally decided to just go for it. I don't know why I waited so long, honestly. There were a couple other bags that I've also wanted, and I just decided to go ahead and get those first before purchasing this one, because I was still debating on if I actually was going to be able to get some use out of it. I was debating on if it was going to be practical for me, for my lifestyle, but I decided to just go for it because even if I don't get that much use out of it, I really wanted it. So why not get the items that you want and enjoy in life, you know? Like, do you, sis, do you? But anyway, so yeah, I'm really excited about this, and it's definitely going to be one of my favorite pieces. And again, I don't think I'm going to use these inserts in any of my other bags. I think I'm only going to use them for this bag. I think. I'll let you guys know if anything changes, but I think I'm only going to use it for this bag, and I think I'm always going to wear this bag with the inserts inside. So just really quickly, I have my phone right here. I just want to see what fits, so my phone can go in there. I still have some space. I don't really have anything else to try to fit in there. I guess I should have brought like a lip gloss and stuff, but I'm pretty sure it can fit because, like I said, there's still some space with my phone in here, so I'm pretty sure I can fit obviously my lip gloss or lipstick, whatever I'm wearing, and then maybe like 2 other small things that are essential for me to carry, like a hand sanitizer or lotion, my AirPods case, whatever it may be. I think those essential items, maybe like 2 or 3 more items depending on the size, it can definitely still fit in a bag. But you don't want to overstuff it because you don't want it to get that poofy look and start messing up the structure of the bag. So I wouldn't do that. But yeah, so I'm really excited to use this, to use her. So I think my first outfit is going to be, I don't know actually, but like I said, you can dress her up or dress her down, and I'm definitely going to do both. But she's mainly going to be used for dressing up because like I said, you can't fit much in here. But let me get you a closer look at how my phone looks inside. So as you can see the inserts, and then you see my phone. There's still some room, like I can fit like a lip gloss right there, maybe my AirPods case and a hand sanitizer on top, and then that's about it. So yeah, comment down below if you want me to do what's in my bag or what fits in this bag for this specific bag, and I'll get that out to you as well. Let me take my phone out, and I'm going to practice these inserts really quick. So I just have like 1 piece of cash here just to see how it goes, and I don't usually have much cash anyway, or else I would try to squeeze in more bills. So I just put 120 in there, and then I have my key holder here, so I'm going to take some of my cards out, and I'm going to, okay, so this is like my everyday item, but that's a different video, that's a different story. But I use this every single day, but we're not going to get into that right now. So it's going to actually be weird taking my cards and ID and stuff, my license or whatever, out of here to put in here when I carry this bag, because I'm just used to having this every day with me, but I don't need to carry it. So I'm just going to put my driver's license in here. Okay, that fits. I'm going to put a credit card. Fits really good. And another bank card. You know, I actually don't even have that many cards to fill this up with, so there'll still be some space left. So this is what this looks like with the cards in it. That's pretty cute. And then I have my bill in there. So yes, I like it. I'm still unsure of what I'm going to use this for. Probably coins, which I don't usually have much of, or something else like dainty and small that won't make it like have a bulge in it, like my eyelash spoolie or something. I don't know yet, but put that in there. And then yeah, you can fit your phone and just a few more items like I said. But yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. Again, comment down below if there's anything else that you would like to see me talk about in the next video or do a video on. Let me know if you have any questions. Tell me what you think about this bag. Would you wear it, or do you think it's just way too small? Either way, I love it. I just want to know your opinions though. And also, what do you think about my new Bandu or Bandu? Correct me in the comments, because I know that I'm saying it wrong. Well, I think I am. I don't know. But yeah, correct me in the comments. Let me know. Alright, thank you for watching, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you won't miss my next videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.